I'm here with.
Ariel.
I'm here with.
Kiki.
All right. On the scale of 1 to 10, what are the chances of me eating your ass?
I just came to my bro crib, man. You two
Y'all
paying
still
good.
asleep for some reason. I
Hey,
don't know
man,
why.
go big or go home. You feel me?
Y'all still asleep though.
Yeah. I was riding around in the V12 with the racks in the middle. Had to pray to Almighty God, they let my dog out the killer.
Today, we are in Buckhead, Atlanta, at Lenox Square, about to ask random females on a scale of 1 to 10, what are the chances of me eating their ass? Let's go check it out, man. Let's go. I'm here with.
Emily. Tatiana. Jordan.
Well, my name is Jordan. It's nice to meet you, Jordan. Yeah. Gang, you already know. All right. I'm going to ask you last, all right?
Okay.
All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, what are the chances of me eating your ass?
What?
What are the chances of me eating your ass?
Slim to none.
Slim to none? Okay. What about you?
0.
0? Not a 1?
No.
Damn. All right, Jordan. Jordan. Come on now. On a scale of 1 to 10, what are the chances of me eating your ass? Come on.
Zilch.
Damn.
No.
Damn. All right. Hell yeah. You liking your ass ate?
I only got my essay. What's up?
You liked it? Did you like it?
It was iffy. Look, iffy.
If you liking your toe suck?
Yeah.
You liking your toe suck?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all got some. You got pretty feet?
Yeah.
Okay. What color polish you got?
White. Nude.
White.
Oh my God. All right. White is the way to go. All right, you got somebody shout out?
Myself. Follow me on Instagram at Zilch.
All right, I'm here with.
Gabrielle. Jamelia.
All right, the question of the day. On a scale of 1 to 10, what are the chances of me eating your ass?
I'm sorry, what?
What are the chances of me eating your ass?
There's a 0. Because I'm not.
0?
I'm sorry, but I'm not. First of all, I just feel like as a man, it's just how you're not just gonna walk up to any women and ask her that.
Fuck you.
You know what I'm saying? Unless y'all are that intimate. So yeah, right now, for me meeting you, no, it's not gonna happen.
It's not happening in general. I'm a woman.
At all?
No. Fuck her too.
Okay,
I'm a man of God.
To the fact, but it's just not even by anybody. It's just like I said, we have to be connected.
All right, I'm here with.
Bunny. Kiana. Ariane.
All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, what are the chances of me eating your ass?
0.
0?
Yeah.
That was quick. How about you?
Like, I don't know. That's not my forte. 0.
All right.
A 5.
A 5? For real? Oh shit. So you like getting your ass ate? So you ain't never tried it? Okay. You want to try?
Go ahead. Not yet.
Not yet. One more question. So you like getting your toe sucked?
No.
What about you? You like getting your toe sucked? Oh yeah. Wait. She got. You like getting your toe sucked, don't you? I know you.
Yeah, you know I do.
You got some pretty feet. All right. I already know.
I mean, I'm not against trying new things, but like.
So you like getting your ass ate too? That's.
No, I didn't
That's
say that.
trying. All right, I'm here with.
Briana. Kirino. TK.
And Zebo.
All right, question of the day. On a scale of 1 to 10, what are the chances of me eating your ass? What are the chances? You like getting your ass ate?
No.
I do.
Oh,
7.
7? For real? All right. What about you?
5.
5? Hey.
6.
Okay, so you don't like getting your ass ate?
No.
Why?
Go free.
I'm a freak.
You like getting your toe sucked?
Yep.
You like that? You like getting your toe sucked? What about you? Toe?
Do you like doing that type of stuff?
I'm nasty. I love that shit. You know what I'm saying? You got somebody shout out?
Yeah, shout out to you.
All right, what about you?
What's your name?
Shout out to my folks in
I am
Memphis.
Whiteside. All right, hold up.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. A real gangster ass nigga plays his cards right.
Who got a shout out? Who got a boyfriend? Can you see her? You see? All right, man. The question for the girls today. All right, it's a math problem. All right. right. On a scale of 1 to 10, scoot in a little bit, scoot in a little. On a scale of 1 to 10, what are the chances of me eating your ass today?
0.
0?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. All right, the question of the day. All right, it's a math problem, all right? All right. On a scale of 1 to 10, scale of 1 to 10 now, what are the chances of me eating your ass? 0.
I guess
1.
I ain't got no option.
Okay, okay, I got one more question for you. I got one more question for you though. All right.
I didn't expect that.
I got one more for you, all right? What? Say it, go ahead, say it.
No,
All
there
right.
ain't no butt involved in me.
All right. What are the chances of me sucking your toes? Cause you got some pretty feet. Come on, man. Look at them. Look at them. Come on now. What are the chances of me sucking your toes? Come on. Damn, not a 2?
Not even a 2.
Damn.
Not even a 1, honestly. If he gave me 0 to 10, it'd be a 0. But I never.
That's crazy. All right, you got.
Thank you for letting me know video.
I got you.
What's your channel name?
Weirdo World TV.
What is it?
Weirdo World TV. All right, I'm here with.
Lila.
All right, the question of the day. On a scale of 1 to 10, what are the chances of me eating your ass?
A 0. A 0.
A 0.
A 0. A 0.
A 0. All right. How about this? How about sucking your toes? Look at you got beautiful feet. A 6. A 6. All right. What about you? Sucking your toes.
That's like, I don't know, that's like a 5. Half and half.
All right. So, if my boy wanted to suck your toes right now, could he do it? What am I mean? Can I suck it?
No, right.
Fuck no. Fuck no. What you mean, fuck no?
No.
Ain't nobody even looking.
You said, wait. First of all, this is a public area. 2.
You right. All right. So you said no, I can't do it. All right. You got somebody shout out?
No. My babe.
Yo, babe.
My boo.
He don't even eat ass though.
Hey, y'all some weird shit. Y'all some weird shit.
We're on TV. What you talking about, bro? Oh, we just got some crazy and insane responses here at Lenox Square. Hey, but if you enjoyed this video, We're in the world. Man. All right, man. Come on, man. All right, man. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. And don't forget, do not forget to turn on my post notifications and subscribe. We're the world.
Yeah. I was riding around in the V12 with the racks in the middle. Had to pray to Almighty God, they let my dog out the killer.